Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Flexi Arm cleaning on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. Flexi Arm cleaning is an arm that can extend itself to clean the corners better. Not only the corners, but also to clean the near the wall better. If it's going like next to the wall, it'll just be more accurate there. And so to clean the corners and edges better, you can enable that by going to settings, then going to floor cleaning settings and finding Flexi Arm Design Extended Cleaning and enable that. Then it'll start doing that. And that's it. You can also do that for extended mopping. So the mopping pad, one of the mopping pads, the one that's on the right side, will also extend itself to clean around the edges and corners better. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.